In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the DocuSign error communicating with server issue quickly and easily. This is a common problem that can stop you from sending, signing, or accessing important documents, and it usually appears because of connection issues, browser problems, or temporary server errors. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any step. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. Since this is a server communication error, the most common cause is an unstable or slow connection. Open a new browser tab and go to a speed test website like fast.com. Let the test run and make sure your internet speed is stable and not dropping. If your connection is slow or keeps disconnecting, try restarting your router. Simply unplug it, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Once your internet is stable again, refresh DocuSign and see if the error is gone. If your internet is working fine but you're still seeing the error, the next step is to disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies sometimes interfere with secure connections, and DocuSign relies heavily on secure server communication. If you have a VPN enabled, temporarily turn it off and then reload the DocuSign page. If you're on a work or school network, there may also be a firewall or proxy restriction causing the issue. In that case, try switching to a different network, like your mobile hotspot, and check if the problem persists. The third step is to try opening DocuSign in incognito mode. Browser extensions, saved cookies, or cached data can sometimes conflict with web applications. To do this, open your browser and start a new incognito or private window. Then go to the DocuSign website and log in again. If DocuSign works properly in incognito mode, that means the issue is likely related to your browser cache or one of your extensions. If that's the case, the next step is to clear your cache and cookies. In Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Set the time range to All Time for a complete reset, then click Clear Data. Once that's done, close your browser completely, reopen it, and log back into DocuSign. This resolves the issue in many cases because it removes corrupted or outdated data stored in your browser. Finally, if none of these steps work, you should check the DocuSign status page. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all. DocuSign may be experiencing a temporary outage or server maintenance. Open a new tab and search for DocuSign status page. If there's an active outage, you'll need to wait until their team resolves it. These issues are usually fixed quickly, so check back after some time and try again. So to quickly recap, check your internet connection, disable your VPN or proxy, try incognito mode, clear your cache and cookies, and check the DocuSign status page. One of these steps will solve the error communicating with server problem in most situations. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the DocuSign error communicating with server issue. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.